Remember, it's loud.
Y'all probably wonder where we been at, man. And this man is talking.
Alright, I know we've been missing, but we're back for season 2. We're here at Circuit Americas for Super Lap Battle, so let's go check it out.
Yeah, man, you heard what he said. Or did you? Because it's windy as hell. Come on.
That's what we came for.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy!
Dream car, Nate.
I know, right? Where I want one of those.
God damn.
I know y'all peeping this.
I know, I can't look like Nate. Nate and Alan, dude. It's all the light skinned dudes for the last 2000s. They just like live in the garage.
That boy Brandon coming for me right now, bro. Why you doing that?
Come on, man.
Oh, we're basically brothers, bro.
Dude, mine's a classic car, though. They can't pull me over for that. What are you worried about? I'll be like, dude, it's a class.
2 hours later.
Well, we knew David's S14 had a couple of issues on the way down, but looks like the clutch finally gave out. People are probably like, what's going on? C-Bar, you got anything? Any thoughts? And there's the driver himself, Lewis Hamilton. Hey, bro, you got any? What you got, bro?
Man. Speechless, bro.
Bad luck S14. But you know what? That just means new clutch, ready to get clutch kicked again, you know what I'm saying? Ready to get back out there. The sad walk to get food. You know, it was almost fun, you know? I was like, man, I finally get some food and drink. And now, well, at least it's nice outside now. Why is Mona Lisa smoking a blunt? Crazy, she higher than a motherfucking hill. Oh my God. We gonna need to get high as hell if we working on this 240 tonight. You know what happened? Ever since you started wearing that Mercedes shirt, man, that's where it all started.
Alright, so it's me and Nate right now. Here's the dilemma, I guess. So the 240, the clutch gave out, and it was bound to happen. And right now we're gonna go get a new clutch from AutoZone. Have the 240 get towed from a parking garage to Brian's house, and have him install it, and hopefully have a brand new clutch and be able to drive home from 3 hours away. This shit is crazy, bro.
Bad luck S14 strikes again.
Bad luck, man. I need some good mojo on that shit, bro.
Hey, go drop a comment down below for some good luck. Put the praying hands.
Yes, please, please.
Drop the praying hands for good luck down there. Secured the bag.
So got a new clutch. Not planning on replacing the flywheel because they didn't have one.
Check in. It's currently 7:40. We called AAA at 7:10. It's only been 30 minutes. Feels like it's been an hour. The boys went to go get the clutch from AutoZone. And I'm here waiting in the 240 for AAA. Check back in later. Tony's gonna be maneuvering it.
I got stuck in that seat.
Shouldn't it lock like going up or no? Did it all go down?
No, I didn't hear it click on this side.
Same time.
Oh shit!
You like this mixer?
Gonna get him to bleep it out. Bro! Oh, it's tightening. That doesn't work. You should get a shot of this.
Oh, not.
Meow 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 meow. Being a dweeb. I'm gonna stick this in the hole.
That's what she said?
Sticking it in the hole. Ew. So gooey. Another bolt up there? For the love of Christ!
No, you already got it out.
No, it's still up there. There's another one. Why?
Oh yeah, there's two.
¿Qué tú quieres, canto pendejo? Listen, bro, you can't speak Spanish. Chupa la verguita que tienes, cabrón. Bro, these bolts were hella loose, bro.
Really?
Yeah. I have a little ass battery on it, and this is just taking it out like no problem. Like nothing.
We did this 5-piece swap in the fucking garage with like fucking rocks on the floor.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So prim.
And then we didn't even have these nice ass jacks though.
No.
Courtesy of Hobby. A huevo. You never noticed the clutch slipping? At all? I don't think he did.
Let's just say that he knew
before coming
I thought it was either that or a throttle position sensor.
Dude.
Oh
my god.
I'm hungry.
Top ramen in my...
Top of the garage door.
Oh yeah! I'll change the clutch out. Just me and David.
Everyone else gets from underneath the car. I'm kicking these fucking blocks.
Well, I should be okay.
Ay. You should go get the other one and compare it.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
I think the Scotch Brite in that file cabinet, in the top cabinet.
Supposed to look like.
My finger. God, it's really tight.
That's what she said. Or he said.
You know what,
I
Tony?
wasn't offering you this.
You need to build another Evo. You need to, like, get
Well,
back to
in
this
order
shit.
to build another U-boat, you gotta have an U-boat.
I'm missing a bolt. I'm missing a clutch bolt. Oh, this one's stuck too. Here, unstuck this one for me. Oh! Wow, you got fucking strong ass fingers.
That's what she said. That's my joke, damn it.
Got in the wrong hole.
That's what she said.
Oh, no, not that. Just come on, you guys. Let's...
Oh, my body died! God damn it. Fuck! Salo, ahí vengo, Salo, que la rumba está buena y contigo, morena. Santo Domingo, es que me voy. Alright, our bearing's good. Looking pretty. We installed the new bearing, guys! Starter goes here, that goes in the bottom. Alright, we're gonna get this up, Tony, and the first thing we're gonna do is get this motherfucker in here and put the bolts for this thing. Wait, push it. Let me get on here. Oh man, the problem is the engine tilted down now. Let it come back down. Let it rest. My arm's fucking fatigued. Right. This shit I do. Oh, I want to make sure the fucking clutch fork didn't come out of place because I moved it. Tony, you ready for this round 2? Yeah.
Ready as I can never be.
Fucking go in.
Perfect.
Go to your fucking hole.
There it goes. Fuck.
Oh! Where's my ball? Fuck you, Tony.
I ain't going to the gym for 5 days. More.
I need to do a fucking SR swap in this. The DQ trans. Look at these fucking goddamn things ain't worth the fuck.
Okay.
Yeah, that too, but that wasn't what I was talking about.
Man, that skid plate, David, is saving a lot of crud from hitting your garage. I'm telling you that right now.
This right here, seen better days.
Brian, you put the old clutch in there, bro.
Oh fuck! Hold on, I got clutch in my eye. I got clutch in my eye. That's gonna suck for a while.
Bro, you got the...
Finally, it's happened to me, and I can't hold my breath.
Should I put the shifter back?
Yeah. Actually, you could pour your
Gear oil?
through, but let him put the drive shaft in first.
Alright.
Put some Tony shit on? What? Alright, you can pull them out. So you gotta like baby this car like it's a virgin. You can't like fucking drive, especially on those clutch, that style clutch. You can't hit it.
Yeah.
For at least like, I'd say maybe on your way back, you know, once you're up home, you should be alright.
Yeah.
Maybe once you're up home in like a week, you know, bones do no skidding, don't do shit.